Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Loopring. LRC price analysis. Boom and selling pressure teases flag pattern fallout. The LRC coin falls more than 50%, as it shows an ongoing retracement within a flag pattern in the daily chart. Moreover, the recent bear attack results in the fallout of the $2 mark. The rests close to the support trendline after a 30% fall in the past 2 weeks. Therefore, the price action indicates a high probability of a bearish breakout. Previously, when we covered an article on the Loopring coin, the coin price was attempting to sustain above the $2 mark. However, despite the multiple bullish attempts to overcome the selling pressure, the price failed to overcome the influential resistance trendline. The coin fell almost 20% in the last 2 days, resulting in the $2 mark breakout and approaching the support trendline of the falling wedge. Moreover, the increased trend momentum is evident by the rise in trading volume and the bearish engulfing candlestick. The sellers are gaining trend control as the price breaks below the 50-day EMA and show retracement to the 200-day EMA. Nonetheless, the last 2 daily candlesticks show lower price rejection near the $1.60 support level. The daily relative strength index, 35, enters the bearish territory. Moreover, with the recent dump, its line has also crossed below the 14 SMA. This Loopring coin price breaks below the descending triangle pattern in the 4-hour chart. The price shows a halt and downfall near the $1.70 mark. Therefore, a retracement as a retest of the bearish fallout is possible. The technical chart indicates the important resistance levels are $1.60 and $1. Moreover, the support levels are $2.15 and $2.50. The moving average convergence divergence shows a sharp dump in the MACD and signal lines below the neutral LEVEL 0.00. The rising trend of the bearish histograms indicates strong selling pressure. And second news, convex finance bug causes CVX token to sink on forced token unlock. A smart contract bug has forced a team to prematurely unlock a huge portion of its token's circulating supply, sending markets into disarray. And it twittered its own design and security properties. Optimistic rollups do not conduct transaction computation by default, hence, they can scale Ethereum better by a factor of 10 to 100x. Moreover, they can process complex smart contracts. This stands in contrast to zero-knowledge (ZK) rollups, which are mostly capable of running simple transactions. However, withdrawal times for optimistic rollups are significantly longer than ZK due to fraud challenges. Zero-knowledge rollups (ZK) rollups transfer batches of transactions from layer 1 to 2 and create a validity proof for every batch. This drastically reduces the data size of transactions, which in turn lowers gas costs and shortens confirmation times. Unlike optimistic rollups, ZK rollups do not require fraud challenges, since the validity proofs are already verified, allowing fast withdrawal. A ZK rollup usually comprises 2 Merkle trees, a vital mathematical structure that helps blockchains avoid the faking of data on its on-chain records, which are stored on a smart contract. One Merkle tree stores the accounts, while the other safekeeps all balances. All other data that the ZK rollup uses is stored off-chain. Top Layer 2 rollups Polygon is a Layer 2 platform that describes itself as Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, offering not only a scaling solution, but also a framework for interoperability with other Layer 2 protocols. Unlike most rollups, Polygon has its own native token called Matic, which is used instead of ETH to pay for gas. This gives Polygon an advantage over other Layer 2 solutions on Ethereum, since users don't necessarily need to bear the costs of transferring Ethereum tokens into the Polygon mainnet initially. They can simply buy Matic and use it to buy other tokens on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that support Polygon. Using Polygon dApps will allow you to trade, deposit liquidity or take out loans at a fraction of the cost of the Ethereum mainnet. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028.